Generation Smart Production.
Hey folks, welcome to Generation Smart Production. Today we explain a new video tutorial about how can fix issue apps not installed on device with some steps. Step 1, open your Play Store and type APK Singer.
Let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I love
APK Singer and install.
But I'm finally
Step 2, open and click Sign a file.
myself.
Step 3, select your application and click Save. Step 4, after process is done, then double click in the app. Step 5, click Allow access of APK Signer and install your application. Wait until application is finished to install. Now you can open.
I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I'll make mistakes, don't mean to come off haughty. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way on it. This maze that I'm running through now, when I think of you, I'm falling to a picture of you. You would eat me alive, and now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken.